Hello and welcome to Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley. Today I'm looking at the ULTIMEA Poseidon R3T 2.1 channel soundbar system. This 2.1 channel soundbar with a wireless subwoofer delivers powerful, room feeling audio with up to 240 watts of peak output. Featuring mica reinforced drivers for reduced distortion, voice MX for clearer dialogue, and bass MX for deeper, more precise bass. It ensures an immersive listening experience. The wireless subwoofer allows flexible placement, while Bluetooth 6.0 provides fast, stable streaming. With Smart App Control, a 10-band EQ, and multiple presets, you can easily customize sound for movies, music, and gaming. I'm going to unbox the soundbar real quick and set it up, and then we'll go over its features and try it out. Okay, let's open it up. First, we have the instruction manual. And now we're at the accessories. There's the remote control unit, the cord to the subwoofer, and this looks like, oh yeah, the power adapter for the soundbar itself. And here are some mounting brackets and screws and everything. And an HDMI cable. And here is the first half of the soundbar. Very nice. There's where you attach the other part. And there's a USB port, optical port, HDMI, and where the power adapter goes. There's the volume control, Bluetooth, input selection, and the power button. Now let's attach it to the other half. Right there, just angle the two together so that they fit in the slots, and then simply twist. And it's together. Looks like it puts out some good sound. And now for the subwoofer. There's the bottom. And of course the top, front, and then there's the back. Those are really nice rubber feet like on the Aura. And that's where you put your power adapter, and that's the on and off button. And you just plug it in and it wirelessly connects to the soundbar. So you can place it anywhere. For room filling bass for movies, music, and gaming. You can place it anywhere for optimal performance and a cleaner setup, and luckily there's no cables involved. It's also the mica reinforced drivers are for accurate sound. The drivers gain up to 30% more stiffness, allowing it to maintain better control during movement and avoid unwanted vibrations. This improves control cuts distortion by up to 20%, producing sound that is cleaner, more accurate, and rich in detail. It looks like a very nice setup, and now we're ready to set it up. Oh yeah, it also has advanced DSP processing, voice MX technology that detects and enhances vocal frequencies in real time. And here's what it's like on my stand. There's the HDMI cable. Simply plug that in, and then on the other side it's in the ARC HDMI port on the TV. And there's the power adapter, and you just plug that into the power adapter slot and then plug it in. There's the subwoofer. Just plug the cord in and take it and plug it into a socket wherever you want it. You got it.
Front right. Front center.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Very awesome sound. Now let's look at the remote. There's input buttons. There's the source button, and then you can also just press the individual USB, Bluetooth, ARC, optical, and then there's volume up and down. And of course there's a mute button, device reset, bass MX, which you can put up and down. So you can put the bass where you want it, up to 6, 1 through 6. I'll just leave it at 3 for now. And then there's a mid-range and also a treble. And you can adjust all those 1 through 6 as well. Then you have your presets like movie, music, night, sports, voice. And there's LED dimmer, which makes it dim and so on. Now let's take a look at the app. It's really easy to pair, as you can see right here. That's a really nice feature because you have total control with the app too. Gives you a little tutorial at first. Okay, and so you have the volume button. It sets it to the volume. The equalizer. You have the presets for movies, music, voice, sport, game, and night, just like on the remote. And you can put the sound effects up and down. And then the source. You have the ARC, HDMI, optical, Bluetooth, and USB. Simply just push one of those, it sets it to whatever you want. I'd like to thank ULTIMEA for sending me the Poseidon R3T 2.1 channel soundbar. It is awesome and I highly recommend it. It's a great thing for a gaming desk even. So yeah, it's a great price too. It's really good. And I'd like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please click like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next video is out, then please click the bell icon. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.